Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to source for all things home improvement and design. Today, we're delving into a topic that can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal: the front yard landscaping design and tips with mulch. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Mulch is more than just ground cover. It's a versatile design element that offers numerous practical and aesthetic benefits. But, let's begin by defining what we mean by front yard landscaping with mulch. Essentially, it involves using mulch, an organic or inorganic material spread over the soil surface, as a key component of your front yard design. This isn't simply scattering mulch around existing plants. It's about strategically incorporating it to define planting beds, create pathways, suppress weeds, retain moisture, and enhance the overall visual appeal of your property. It's about creating a cohesive and well-maintained landscape that complements your home's architecture. Now, why choose mulch for your front yard? The advantages are plentiful. First and foremost, mulch acts as a natural weed suppressant, reducing the need for constant weeding. It also helps retain soil moisture, which is crucial, especially during dry periods. This translates to less watering and healthier plants. Mulch also regulates soil temperature, protecting plant roots from extreme heat and cold. Furthermore, as organic mulches decompose, they enrich the soil with valuable nutrients. Aesthetically, mulch provides a clean, uniform backdrop that highlights the colors and textures of your plants. It creates a polished and professional look. Achieving a beautiful front yard with mulch requires careful planning and execution. Consider the color and texture of your mulch. Darker mulches, like shredded bark, create a rich, dramatic effect, while lighter mulches, such as pine straw, offer a more natural, subtle look. The mulch should complement the color of your house and the surrounding landscape. Create defined edges for your planting beds using edging materials like brick, stone, or metal. This will create a clean separation between the mulch and other areas of your yard. Vary the depth of the mulch, depending on the type of plant. Avoid piling mulch against the base of trees and shrubs. This can lead to rot. Mulch is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into various landscaping styles. For a formal look, consider symmetrical planting beds with neatly edged mulch. For a more natural, informal style, opt for flowing lines and a variety of plant textures. Consider a minimalist approach using gravel or stone mulch for a modern aesthetic. A cottage garden style can be enhanced with bark mulch and overflowing flower beds. The key is to choose a style that complements your home's architecture and personal taste. And to complete your inspiration, here these the compilation of the top 10 stunning front yard landscaping with mulch ideas. 1. Classic foundation planting. Use dark mulch to create a defined border around your home's foundation, showcasing shrubs and flowering plants. 2. Pathway definition. Create winding pathways through your front yard using contrasting mulch colors. 3. Raised garden beds. Use mulch to surround raised garden beds, creating a neat and organized look. 4. Rock garden integration. Combine mulch with rocks and drought-tolerant plants for a low-maintenance, visually appealing landscape. 5. Tree rings. Create mulch rings around trees to protect the trunks and prevent weed growth. 6. Slope stabilization. Use mulch to help stabilize slopes and prevent erosion. 7. Color contrast. Use different colored mulches to create patterns and visual interest. 8. Xeriscaping with mulch. Combine mulch with drought-tolerant plants for a water-wise landscape. 9. Formal parterre garden. Use finely ground mulch to create intricate patterns in a formal parterre garden. 10. Natural woodland look. Use shredded bark mulch to create a natural, woodland-inspired landscape. As you can see, front yard landscaping with mulch offers a wealth of design possibilities and practical benefits. By carefully considering the type of mulch, the layout of your landscape, and the overall style you want to achieve, you can transform your front yard into a beautiful and welcoming space. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of mulch landscaping. Be sure to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home and garden design ideas. And don't forget to leave a comment below, sharing your own experiences with mulch landscaping. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.